Yeah, good day, traders. I just want to make this video to tell you how I'm able to bank over 2,000 pips currently in the gold trade we are on. This trade we entered yesterday morning, early morning towards 1 a.m. 1 a.m. in the morning. We entered 1 a.m. in the morning, gold for a buy. And the trade is currently running 2,000, over 2,000 pips. Our target is 4,000 pips. The trade is currently running 2,000 plus pips. So I would just want to share with you from this video what we saw that we took the trade, I took the trade, what I saw, I took the trade, and how I'm able to bank over thousands of pips, predict over thousands of pips into the future. That's what I will be doing for this video. Then in subsequent videos, I'll be able to explain how to trade, how to analyze the markets, how to draw support and resistance, true support and resistance, and a whole lot of that will come up in subsequent videos. But for the sake of this video, I want to just share with you the trade and why we took the trade, the gold trade. Actually, the trade has not closed, but the trade is in good profit. We have already broken even, and we are good to go. Okay, so okay. So we are back. We are back. So I want to be sharing my screen now. I want to share my screen with you so you're able to see why we took the trade. So share screen, I'll be popping it out. This is what I need. So I want to share the screen right now. Done. Now, you are welcome inside of my screen. This is Living on Forex. We are with bank thousands of people, predict thousands of people into the future in all trade. We are on currently. The trade I have running, the positions I have running, I have gold running. I also have GBP NZD running. GBP NZD, that trade has been open for some time now. And this is it. There's a trade currently. We took this trade off of this area, and the trade is currently on profit. This is about our overall target. We're predicting for the market to pop down to this zone for our TP. So it has been consolidating for how long? But we know that we are still good in this trade. We are good to go. This is over 500 pips prediction, I think. We took the trade over off of this area, and this is where we are targeting the market to come. Okay. Okay, this is over 500 pips. Okay, yes, they're about 500 pips. You can see 506 pips. So this trade is already on profit, but it's consolidating for how long? Because the NZD, as at this point, the NZD is not really strong to put this trade off, but we know that this market is down, it's south. That's positioned and it has locked in. If you watch this zone, this is the zone it has locked in. So when it came off of this zone, whenever it came off, this zone is a honeypot. Came off, it dropped, came off, it dropped, it came off the third time. The third time always does the real, guys. When you get your true support and resistance locked in, the third time on that zone does the trick. See the aggressive tempo after the third touch, and then this zone is locked. They will never come back there again. So when they came out, retraced up to 100% of the zone, we know that this market is a down market. So there are theirs. That's that for this trade. And the reason you're going in for gold. Now, the gold trade for this particular video, if you look at the gold trade we are on, it's looking very, very, very good. If you can see, the target is over. Let me minimize this so that you'll be able to see the target where we're targeting gold to come to. Our target is over. Look at our target, over 4,553 pips. So over 4,053 pips is our target for gold. And as you can see now, the market is aggressively going close to our take profits. Now, how are we able to predict the market thousands of pips into the future? Guys, this thing is something we have cracked. We've cracked it. Trading is good when you crack it, when you've gotten your edge, you're good to go. Now, this market, why did we go in? Now, gold has been trading on a bullish move for the past 5 years. Yes, since 2018. So when you come to the monthly time frame, we know that gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. So I am looking for any bullish move. If you like, give me inverse head and shoulder, this side, that side, I am not interested. I am only bullish. So my zones, go to weekly time frame, you see my zones clearly paint out. Though I'm not going to explain to you how I draw my zones. That will be for another video. If you look at my zones, they are always on point. They are not the usual way you draw your zones. Some of you draw your zones, support and resistance, but there are things, there are reasons. If you understand the why those zones are there, you'll be better equipped to draw the zones in a best way, and the market is likely to react. So that is for that. But then, for the sake of this video, I just want to explain why we took the gold trade. So we locked in the daily time frame. What we are looking at is structure, market structure. And then it gives us this nice looking head and shoulder pattern, head, inverse head and shoulder, shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, head. This is the neckline. Wait, I wrote this trend from the head. That was what I saw. I wrote this trend after this evening star, this morning star. I wrote this trade to this point. I took out my profit. It gave me over 2,900 pips. I took out. Then, when the market came out, I now observed it. The market also came to this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. So I was looking for another entry. Haven't banked 209 pips. Sorry, did I say 209 pips? 2,900 pips to the future. Haven't banked that. I was able to do that. Okay, sorry. Hello. Good evening. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. She's doing fine. She's okay. Okay, this can work. Feel and wait. Okay. Okay. No problem. When you want to call me. Mm, mm. Sorry for that break in transmission. We are back. Okay, so this is the reason why we saw the trade. we saw, as we noticed the breakout of this trend line, the daily candle, this daily candle that broke out. First of all, let's come to this daily candle that broke out, it ended above. We know the breakout is, but then I will not want to go into details on how to know that a resistance is broken. I can predict, we can perfectly predict how resistance, whether resistance will be broken or will hold. But that is not for this video. Subsequently, we will be able to teach all of that. But when I saw the movement, I saw price action, I know that this neckline is broken. Then I know we are on a bullish momentum. So I came down to this for a while. I know once it's break, what I'm expecting is come back, romance the area, touch the area, and then boom, shoot. So when the market broke, it gave me the retracement I needed. And after the closure of this candle, we are in. And then it consolidated for how long? I always like market to consolidate in my zones. The reason is because this is where the big boys locked in their position. If a market come to a zone and boom, boom, and shoot, just know that it's likely it might come back to that zone. The reason is because these guys that have the billions of dollars of interest, they have billions of dollars waiting to trade on. It's possible that they might not have locked in all of their orders in that trade. So the possibility of it coming back there so that they will lock in all of the positions. But if it wastes time, consolidate within that zone, once it pulls, you know that it's likely that these guys are done. And that zone is locked in. The market will not come back there. Even if it's going to make some retracement, it's going to be like 50% retracement and then it pulls back. So this zone is locked in. We are good, and gold is moving. And what we are seeing is that it's moving towards our take profit zone. And if we can see from this gold to our TP is very, very close. So guys, this is what we saw. We know that gold is going to push. Even if gold is going to make anything retracement, this is the zone it's coming to. It's coming to touch this all-time resistance, all of this plus. But before it gets to that point, we know we should be out of this trade and then watch what the market is doing. If it's going to break here, we're going to know we'll start riding the trend upwards. But for the fact that the market has hit this all-time high 4 times one, these 4 touches to the top, boom, boom, boom. These 3 touches to the top is coming for the 4th one. I am speculating. We had this first from living on Forex channel that gold might likely make a new all-time high. The highest gold I've ever traded is the 2,064 per ounce per gold. It's likely that gold is going to break that zone to make another all-time high. But the way we are seeing with what I'm seeing from this trade, if you look at this weekly time frame, we also have a neck, head and shoulders pattern. Guys, when you see this structure forming on a higher time frame like weekly, daily, weekly, or monthly, please don't overlook them. This is where the major reversals happen. So don't overlook them. So these guys might not just come and start making this structure just to run 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips. No, they gone for the big meat. They are in for the big meat, guys. So when they make this structure and they start moving, expect the market to pull, to pump, pump, pump. So good. So guys, I just decided to want to share with you what we saw that we took the good trade. If you had taken this trade here after this engulfing candle bar on this 4 hours engulfing, you would still also be in good profit, and maybe your stop loss should be below there. You are good. So it's a juicy win. Gold is actually paying us this season. This is the second time we are making gold of thousands of pips. Last week we made gold 3,900 pips in profit. This week we're already making 2,000 plus, going to 3,000 pips in profits, and our target is around 4,000 pips. So this is 75% of our target. Gold has made 75% of our overall target. So we know with the momentum we are seeing in the market, this market is It's not done yet. It's not done yet. So guys, the video has taken much time. Well, thank you very much. And I will be showing you in subsequent videos I will be dropping in my YouTube channel. Please like, share this channel. You're going to get a lot of gems. I'll be sharing how we can draw our support and resistance, how you can use price action candles, not only when you see engulfing by anywhere you trade it. How can you trade it in the right market? And how can you know when there will be a breakout of a resistance or support? What behavior are you going to see to know that this market is going to break? Because that is what aided us to take this trade. I saw it and I know that this zone is break, is locked in. And I was able to enter early and I milked this market upward. In fact, this trade was not enter here, guys. I took this trade around here. When the market was coming aggressively to this point, I took this trade. There was things I saw, I noticed, I knew that this zone is breaked. It's going to break this zone. And when it did, after this one candle pulled with this small slight rejection, the next subsequent candles we are consolidating. As this consolidation was holding, I was smiling. Some people that I posted the channels on Telegram were, sir, are we still going to go out of this? I say, don't go out of the trade. Guys, when you understand the psychology behind why market moves, you will be 9 out of 10 times profitable. 8 out of 10 times right. The reason why I was able to hold this trade. So a lot of people say gold is a killer, gold is a killer. Yes, gold is a killer, but gold can turn you to a millionaire when you know how to trade gold, when you know how to do it. So when I saw all of this, I was more confident that this zone is going to hold. And once this gold holds, guys, it's not going to come back here. It's locked. It's locked in. So we are in on gold, bullish, maximum. Subsequent video, I will explain other charts, other pairs I trade. So thank you very much. Keep sharing, liking the channel, share it with your friends. If you got a good gems that you can share, but don't worry. I'm with you. I'm gonna teach you this thing from basics, how to know how to trade this market. If you are a regular follower of this channel, you'll be able to understand and you trade the market, you'll be very, very profitable. And most times I also share signals, the kind of the ones I'm trading, the market I'm looking at to enter and all of that. Thank you very much.